Namaste students. In this video we are going to see exercise 8.2 second problem. Choose the correct option and justify your choice. First subdivision problem, 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. Just you have to apply the value of tan 30 degree and you have to simplify and choose which is the correct answer. Sin 60 degree, cos 60 degree, tan 60 degree or sin 30 degree. Okay, first write the question. Two tan 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. So, tan 30 degree is what? 1 by root 3. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So, instead of tan 30 degree, what we can substitute? 1 by root 3. Then, 1 plus 1 by root 3 the whole square. Be careful with the square and all. Okay. And then, we can't cancel anything in the numerator. So, write it as it is 2 by root 3 and then square this one and take LCM. After that only we can divide by this number. Okay, 1 plus 1 by 3. 1 square is 1. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Now take LCM. 2 by root 3 and if we take LCM, what we will get? 3 plus 1 divided by 3, then 4 by 3. Okay, so 2 by root 3 divided by 4 by 3. So 2 by root 3 into reciprocal this one. Divide, I am going to change into multiplication. So we have to reciprocal it. 3 by 4. You can cancel anything here? Yes, we can cancel. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. Then this one you can cancel, no? First write the remaining and then cancel 3 and root 3. So we have 3, 2, root 3. But we can't choose from the option sin 60 degree, cos 60 degree, tan 60 degree and sin 30 degree. So you have to simplify this 3 by 2 root 3. How we can simplify this 3? We can write it as root 3 into root 3. This 3 we can write it as root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is what? 3. So I am going to write root 3 into root 3 divided by 2 into root 3. Now we can cancel 1 root 3 root 3. So is equal to root 3 divided by 2. So root 3 divided by 2. Where it is root 3 divided by 2. We have in sin 60 degree and cos 30 degree also. Here we have cos 30 degree. No, we don't have cos 30 degree. Sin 60 degree. Yes, we have sin 60 degree. So what is the answer? What is the answer? Sin root 3 by 2 is nothing but sin 60 degree. So the answer is option A, sin 60 degree. Just simplify and then choose the correct answer. Clear? Now see the second subdivision problem. 2 tan 45 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 45 degree. First write the question. 2 tan 45 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 45 degree. What is tan 45 degree? Shall we see? Tan 45 degree is 1. We can substitute 1 instead of tan 45 degree. So 2 into 1 divided by 1 plus 1 square. 2 ones are 2. 1 square is 1. So 2 by 2. If we cancel, what we will get? 1. So the answer is 1. Answer is option B, 1. Just you have to apply the value, trigonometric ratio value, and then we can choose the correct answer. Now see the third problem. Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a is true when a is equal to 0 degree or 30 degree or 45 degree or 60 degree. You have to choose the correct answer. See the question. Sin 2a is different from 2 sin a, isn't it? So now we are going to check that which angle it is true. First write the question. Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a. First I am going to substitute 0 degree. Instead of a, instead of capital A, I am going to substitute 0 degree. So sin 2 into 0 degree is equal to 2 sin 0 degree. So 2 into 0 is what? 0. So sin 0 degree is equal to 2 into sin 0 degree. So what is sin 0 degree? See here. Sin 0 degree is 0. Sin 0 degree is 0. So instead of sin 0 degree, what I am going to substitute? 0 is equal to 2 into sin 0 degree is 0. So 0 is equal to 0. Both are equal. Both are equal. Like this, you can substitute 30 degree. And if we substitute 30 degree means what we will get here? Sin 60 degree. Sin 60 degree. And here 2 sin 30 degree. Substitute the value and see whether it is equal or not. But in the first option itself, we got the correct answer. So the answer is 0 degree. But I tell you that how to check the other angles. First write the question. 2 sin A is equal to 2 sin A. Okay. So now I'm going to substitute the option 30 degree. Sin 2 into 30 degree is equal to 2 sin 30 degree. So sin 60 degree is equal to 2 into sin 30 degree. Now what is 60 degree? Sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. And sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Okay. Here we can cancel 2, 2. So the answer is root 3 by 2 is equal to 1. So this is for option 30 degree. That is wrong. That is wrong. Like this, if you substitute for 45 degree and 60 degree means you won't get equal values. So the correct answer is option A, that is 0 degree. In 0 degree only we will get equal. Sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A. Clear all of you? Next, see the fourth subdivision. Problem 2 sin 30 degree divided by 1 minus tan square 30 degree. So first we have to substitute for tan 30 degree. Clear? So write the question first. 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 minus tan square 30 degree. So tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So 2 into 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by root 3 the whole square. 2 by root 3, 2 ones are 2, 2 by root 3, 1 minus square this one 1 by 3, and then take LCM. 3 minus 1 divided by 3. Then 2 by root 3, write the numerator as it is, and then 2 by 3. Reciprocal this one, 3 by 2. Now here we can cancel 2 and 2. Remaining is 3 by root 3. So we have to simplify this one. How we can simplify this one? Instead of 3, I can write root 3 into root 3 divided by root 3. Here we can cancel root 3 and root 3. So the answer is root 3. Root 3. When we will get root 3, Kana? When we will get root 3? Where is the root 3? Here. Tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree. So the answer is tan 60 degree. Option 3. Answer C. Option tan 60 degree. Are you all clear, children? Thank you.